Guangdong HuiXin Metal Products Company Limited located in Zhaoqing City, China. The founder and chief engineer, Mark, has more than 30 years experience in greenhouse design. We are a leading OEM and ODM for garden greenhouses and outdoor products. Our self-owned factory covers more than 24,000 square meter area with various professional manufacturing machines. We have own brands HuiXin Greenhouse and HuiXin Outdoor, mainly producing glass greenhouse, polycarbonate greenhouse, pergola, carport, patio cover, and various greenhouse accessories, such as automatic window opener. We have CE, TUV, and SGS certificates to escort the product quality. Our R&D department is working every day to study new technology and innovative products. HuiXin implements the concept goal. Quality is the first vitality of the enterprise. Our QC inspectors work independently from the production line. In addition, we have introduced a professional test machine, UV test machine for testing our raw materials. HuiXin products mainly exported to Europe, Oceania, North America, Eastern Asia. Our products are appraised by home and abroad clients for its professional technology and quality. We have a professional sales team, can offer trustworthy and efficient sales service for both domestic and overseas customers. HuiXin is dedicated to enriching your backyard living by providing diversified and well-engineered products in suitable pricing. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are willing to receive customers' suggestions to improve our products constantly and develop with customers together.